Hey all, what is cloud computing? Let's understand it in just 2 minutes. Welcome to Wynxio IT Training. We provide IT training all over the world. Cloud computing simply means using someone else's computer over the internet to store data and run applications instead of relying only on your own device. Think of it like electricity. You don't build a power plant at home, you just plug in and use it. Similarly, with cloud computing, companies don't need to buy huge servers. They plug into services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. There are three main types of cloud services. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, it is all about renting virtual machines, storage and networks. PaaS, platform as a service, it is like ready-made platforms to build apps without managing servers. SaaS, software as a service, apps like Gmail, Zoom, or Dropbox you can use directly online. There are also 4 cloud deployment models: public cloud, shared by everyone; private cloud, dedicated to one organization; hybrid cloud, a mix of both; community cloud, shared by a specific group. Why is it popular? Because it saves cost, scales easily, gives global access, and adds better security. So, cloud computing is simply renting computing power and storage over the internet, just like you rent electricity or water. This is Wynxio IT Training. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick IT explainers.